Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now by confirming ownership and safety. Have ID and the car key in hand. First, approach the driver door and unlock it with the mechanical key. This often sends the alarm a reset signal. Once inside, stay calm and turn the ignition to the on position without starting. Many systems disarm when the ECU sees a key. Make sure to keep doors closed after you turn the key. If the alarm keeps blasting, prepare to access the fuse panel next. Once done with the ignition check, go to the interior fuse box. Consult the sticker or manual to find the alarm, accessory, or horn fuse. You remove the specific fuse or alarm relay to stop the siren. The reason is that pulling power prevents the siren circuit from sounding while leaving other systems intact. Make sure to test the fuse with a multimeter so you replace the right one. If the siren is hardwired, briefly disconnect the negative battery terminal, but be ready to reset radios and clocks. To finish, once the alarm is silent, reinsert the fuse or reconnect the battery and test by locking and unlocking with the mechanical key. This helps the system relearn the state and reset. Make sure to cycle the ignition a few times so the ECU recognizes the key. If the alarm retriggers, inspect hood and trunk sensors and clear any moisture or debris. If nothing works, get a dealer or certified locksmith involved. Immobilizer or ECU-level faults need proper tools and proof of ownership.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.